Best days to get pregnant. It is normal to worry about infertility when you fail to conceive even after repeated attempts. But in most cases, it is nothing serious. Sometimes, all you need to do is track your cycle and have sex at the right time. Tracking your cycle and timing it right is a reliable method trusted by women for ages. When a couple has issues conceiving, doctors first make sure whether they are doing it right. This includes learning about your menstrual cycle and ovulation. Before we begin, here are two things to keep in mind. Only during the fertile window of the menstrual cycle can a woman become pregnant. When you have sex on the day of your ovulation or 2 days before, your chances of becoming pregnant and conceiving are significantly increased. Keep watching until the end and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post new videos every week. When are you most likely to conceive? Most pregnancies result from sex that happens during the fertility window, that is, on the day of ovulation or 2 days before that. The fertile window usually depends on the length of the menstrual cycle, which varies among women. The fertile window is the day when the egg is released from the ovaries, ovulation, and 5 days beforehand. Thus, having sex during this time gives you the best shot of getting pregnant and conceiving. But in some cases, you can also get pregnant earlier or later. The average lifespan of sperm in the fertile cervical mucus is up to 5 days. And an egg lives up to roughly 24 hours after ovulation. Therefore, your best chance of getting pregnant is approximately 12 to 16 days before your period starts. But the tricky part is identifying when ovulation occurs. A common myth is that all women ovulate on the 14th day of the cycle, but in reality, every woman's menstrual cycle is different. Therefore, you need to track when you ovulate. Try out these methods to figure out when you will ovulate. 4 ways to track ovulation. Number 1. Use an ovulation predictor kit, OPV. Ovulation prediction kits are at-home test kits that can detect a surge in the luteinizing hormone LH, which is said to be released by the body 24 to 48 hours before you ovulate. To use this kit in the middle of your cycle, you will have to test your urine every day for 5 to 6 days, and when you see your LH going up, that is the time to conceive. OPKs come in 2 types. Ovulation test strips. These are paper strips that you are required to dip into a cup of urine. A few minutes later, a line will show up. Depending on how dark the line is, you can understand if you are ovulating. Digital ovulation tests. They are more expensive and thus more effective than the ovulation test strips. With a digital stick, you can hold it in the stream of your urine. The digital monitor then will notify you if you are likely to ovulate. OPKs are easily available in drugstores and they can help you accurately predict your ovulation. Number 2. Check your basal body temperature. Your basal body temperature is the temperature of your body when you first wake up in the morning. During ovulation, the basal body temperature is said to go up slightly and stay up until your next period. To track this, you will need a basal body temperature that measures these changes. Such thermometers are available in the drugstore or the pharmacy. Take your temperature the first thing when you get up in the morning and note when it goes up. That is near your ovulation. Number 3. Fertility monitors. Fertility monitors are super effective at tracking your ovulation. They use urine strip tests and a digital monitor to measure LH and estrogen levels. They can track your peak days and the few days that lead up to them. Then they store your info over multiple cycles. Fertility monitors are high-tech. Thus, they are a little on the pricier side. They can cost up to $200, but they are the most accurate and definitely worth the investment. Number 4. Download a cycle charting app. Another efficient way to track ovulation is to download a cycle charting app. These apps use a simple interface and can help you to track your cycle. You have to record details like the first day of your period, basal temperature, OPK results, etc. Then the app will do the math and alert you when you are most likely to ovulate. Remember to set your standard cycle length on the charting app, as most apps use the default 28-day cycle. When to have sex? After you have tracked your time, have sex as close to ovulation as possible. The best bet is to have sex often. Thus, try to do it every day starting 5 days before ovulation. If you fail to see any results and don't get pregnant even after 6 to 9 months after trying, see a doctor. OB or GYN offices can start a fertility workup if everything else fails. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us, so please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon
for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.